We're on viewing deck here, cliff in Miyagi Island. Maganda yung pagka-layout. And you go out here with the scenic view of the open sea. Very nice, oh. Wow. Ganda ng view. Wow. This is Miyagi Island. Remember Mr. Miyagi and Karate Kid? Wow. Spectacular view. Wow, lalim. Ito yung sabi ko kay Virgie, yung view niya maganda ko eh. Kahit na ganito eh. This is the top view area. Best view here. This is one side of Miyagi Island, I'm sure. Sa taas niya, this is facing the Pacific. Wow, ang ganda. Ayun yung bridge na. We'll be crossing that bridge to another island.